Are you an eBay dropshipper looking for the best tools to streamline your business? In today's video, we will explore the top 9 eBay dropshipping software options, both free and paid, that can make your eBay commerce journey efficient and profitable. Let's dive right in. First, eProlo. It's a free tool that covers everything from finding the best items to sell, listing products, managing inventory, and even automating order fulfillment. You can also brand your store and explore print on demand features. Plus, it supports dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. Next is DMS tool. This software offers product research, listing tools, order fulfillment, stock monitoring, and even eBay SEO optimization. It is also supports dropshipping from platforms like Amazon, Walmart, and AliExpress. Pricing ranges from free to $399.97 per month. AutoDS is another powerhouse. It's specialized in product research, price, and inventory monitoring, and auto ordering from AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. Plans start at $7.99 per month, making it affordable for beginners. EasySync keeps things simple. It's focused on finding suppliers and listing products, with supports for dropshipping from major marketplaces like Amazon and Walmart. Pricing starts from $49 per month. PriceYak is a pay-as-you-go solution. It charges per listing or order and automates order fulfillment, making it ideal for those who want scalability without a monthly subscription. Inventory Source stands out for suppliers integration. It helps you find suppliers, list product, and monitor inventory, with pricing plans ranging from free to $399 per month. Dropshipping Beast is perfect for efficient inventory and price management. Plans range from $30 to $100 per month, making it a practical choice for small to medium-sized sellers. Ordoro offers multi-channel order fulfillment with advanced inventory management and pricing that goes up to $999 per month. It's best switch for the scaling business. Finally, Zik Analytics it's a must for market research and SEO. It's designed to boost your eBay visibility, with plans starting at $29 per month. So, which one is right for you? Each tool creates a different needs whether you are just starting or scaling up. Let us know your favorite in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the more tech solution. See you in the next video.